Hi, my name is John Robison. I'm class 27 at JTech. I'm in the automotive program, and today we are going to be going over a brake inspection.
For this.
So when you're checking out the brakes, you're going to want to look at the rotor surface and see, is it shiny and new looking, or is it really rusted? You can even feel the unevenness in this rotor, so that's something you're going to want to take a look at. To even get to that, you're going to want to take this caliper off. You're going to want to start by first removing this bolt and this bolt. That'll loosen your caliper head here. Once you take the calipers off, you'll have access to the pads. You'll take your pads off and your clips, and then you're going to go back here again and take off, it's hard to kind of see this bolt here, and there's another bolt right here that you're going to be taking off. That'll give you access to take off your bracket. So once you get the head of the caliper off, you're going to want to go ahead and take your brake pad out, and you're going to want to measure the thickness of the brake pad to make sure that it's within spec. So you get yourself a tool like this. They'll help you measure brake pads. And all you do is you come up to the side of the pad and you want to go down the measurement tool, trying to find there it is. So you can see that the pad's about 8 millimeters of wear, so it's still in the green. You're pretty much, it's a good pad. Alright, so after you've taken off your pads and you've checked the thickness to make sure that they're within spec, you're going to go ahead and take your bracket off. This is going to give you access to your rotor. So once you've removed the bracket, you will have complete access to the brake rotor. You're going to want to use a micrometer to measure the rotor's thickness to make sure that it's within specifications. To do so, take your micrometer, zero it, and then you're gonna come around and you're gonna measure the rotor's thickness in 3 separate spots. So to finish it up, you're going to want to go ahead and inspect your brake lines from your calipers. So here's a brake line going right to the caliper. You just want to check for, especially on the rubber ones, you want to check for dry rot. You want to check for leaks or cracks. You just want to go along the whole line. You'll eventually get to the metal brake lines, and you want to follow these metal lines all the way through as far as you can to look for rust. You just want to check this line all the way through. So this is the setup if you're looking at drum brakes. You're going to have the hub here, which you're going to also have to measure. But when you're coming up to the shoes, you use the same measuring tool as you would on the brake pads. And you just line it up on the edge of the shoe. You see. So these wear between 4 millimeters and 3 millimeters of wear. So these shoes are not within specifications. You need to replace these shoes. Alright, so now we're going to measure the hub. You just extend the tool, wiggle it around it to make sure that it's, found the 2 furthest points away. While holding this, you want to pinch your thumb right here and take your reading.